was sweet, but unfortunately my eardrums just go on. Alright, this next song is called You and Me Alive, and it's about nostalgia in the face of an ominous, dark future. But it's this... And bags of pot. Here we go.